Stories. A DEO-ELITE Model School Drama Club Productions.
That one is simple job. Pump animals and animals that live in the farm.
In case you never know, we have types of blood cells, which are red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma, not plasma TV. Lesson.
Which book where you dey read where man pikin no read before? You know say during my time where I be pupil, now first position I dey take every day. I dey take first position every day. I dey take first position.
And what, Johnny? So you don't know farm animals? So you think farm animals are animals that live in farm?
These people have the mind, the temerity to act those kids about animals and their husbands. Hey, Uncle, wait, please, which first position do you take up?
You say wait.
Stories. A DEO-ELITE Model School Drama Club Productions.
Oh, what?
Please, you have to help me with this question. You know there's nobody at home to help me. So please tell me the answer when I get to I'll write it down.
What?
This last question.
Read.
What are farm animals?
Farm animals.
Yes.
That one is simple job. Farm animals are animals that live in the farm. They are very dangerous. They eat up our foods and crops like your melon, potato, everything. Not only that, they pee and poo-poo turn your farm into a bedroom flat. Example of such animals bush rats.
And what, Johnny? So you don't know farm animals? So you think farm animals are animals that live in the zoo, in the farm? Look, Paul, don't mind me.
But I thought Johnny was right.
No, farm animals are not animals that live in a farm. Besides, the word farm animals is not used technically. So farm animals are animals that are kept for use or profit, like keeping of cattle, sheep, or birds for profit.
Mercy, in that case, they shouldn't be called farm animals because farm animals are supposed to live in the farm.
So they should be called what, Johnny? So they should be called house animals. Look, I don't blame you.
So which one do I write now?
Write your name.
Farm animals.
Stories. A DEO-ELITE Model School Drama Club Productions.
Admission in progress into crèche, nursery, kindergarten, basic 1 to 6. Contact us at number 16 Adenwa Street, Ikate, Surulere, Lagos. Telephone +234 8023 224735. DEO-ELITE Model Schools for a better nation.